As you know, IELTS reading has emerged as one of the most challenging modules these days, especially after this corona phase. And many students these days struggle to achieve the desired band skill in the reading part. So I'm here through these videos try to address the issue that most of the students face so that you can get the desired band skill in your test. Hello friends, my name is Shanta Kumar and I'm a Cambridge certified English language trainer. I have been teaching IELTS for about 10 to 12 years now. So my experiences and tips and tricks will certainly help you. Not only this, let me show you, I have written a book as well on IELTS. As you can see, IELTS Super Success. And let me tell you that this book went on to become #1 bestseller on Amazon. You can see, you can check the logo as well, right? So what I mean to say that you are in safe hands. Now, let me explain why these video lessons are going to help you. Firstly, as I have already told you, I have been teaching IELTS for last 10-12 years. And whatever techniques that I'm going to give you here, I have used it myself on the students. And students are getting great success with the reading part by using this formula and techniques or tips and tricks, whatever you will say it. Secondly, I have not only given you the tips and tricks. What I did, I have shown you live on the screen that how to apply these tips and tricks with different types of questions. So I have taken the question on the screen live as a student and I have seen the passage and I have shown you live that how to find the answer by applying this formula. Third, I have taken only one question type in a video so that your idea do not get mixed up. And finally, you will not find my physical presence anywhere in the video. And I have done it knowingly so that you will not get distracted and you could remain focused on the questions, passage, and the techniques and how to use it so that when you sit for the test or when you are practicing, you can use it very effectively, right? So I am quite confident that by using all these techniques, by watching my videos attentively, you will be able to use them effectively in the test and you will be able to achieve your desired band skill. Well, that's all from these videos. I hope you will certainly watch my videos and take the benefits like many students have already taken it, right? So thank you very much for watching the video and all the best for your test.